The estimated market value of the gaming industry in India alone in 2020 was around 90 billions Indian rupees. That's a huge sum of money. Before the period when PUBG was banned in India, it was one of the most played games in India, with an estimated daily active users of 50 millions. So guess how much cash would have been earned by the players who are at the top of these games. Some of the famous PUBG players in India you might know like Scout, Mortal, Dynamo, they earn in millions every month just by their YouTube videos alone. Fans of Scout might know that he spent almost 1 lakh rupees on an M416 gun skin. I mean, you could have actually bought two AK-47s with that amount of money in real life, obviously. If you search on Google, you will find that the estimated net worth of Scout is 1.5 crores. Thousands of people watch his videos on YouTube alone. PUBG themselves organizes gaming events with their prize pool money of around 1 crore rupees. That's a huge sum of money. Now that's the story only of PUBG. Now imagine other games that are on these fields for almost a decade now, like Minecraft, GTA 5, Call of Duty. These games have a much bigger fan base than PUBG. Some of them choose this path, and most of them don't because they think it to be an unconventional path. But the ones who do earn unbelievable amount of money. That's for sure. If something has such a huge fan base, then the players who are at the top tier of these games will certainly earn. So, what does it take to be a famous player in these games? Is it the unique style or the perfect gameplay? Or is it the device in which they are playing matters? Actually, it's none of these. These famous PUBG players like Scout, Dynamo, Mortal, they sell their personality, the face cam. That's what made them famous. Adding face to your gameplay and doing it continuously for a certain period of time. Scout uploaded his first YouTube video 2 years ago. That's when he started his YouTube journey. People who watch their live streams might know how much he earns just by the super chats alone, not considering the YouTube ads. So now the question arises, can you too become a famous PUBG player in India? Well, the answer is yes. Yes, you definitely can. You just have to do it continuously for a certain period of time. It can take anywhere between 5 months to an year and sometimes even 2 years based upon your frequency of uploading your videos. One thing's for sure, after a point of time, you're certainly gonna earn money. If you see this chart, you will notice that the estimated value of the gaming industry in India by 2020 will be around 140 billions. However, in India, it's looked upon as an unconventional field. A very big contribution of these gaslighting goes to the Indian media. They will show you how a XYZ boy stole his dad's ATM card to buy UC in PUBG, or how an XYZ boy committed suicide due to this game. They won't show you that a guy named Yes Sony earned 1.1 crore in just tournaments only. Forget about the YouTube videos and the ad revenue. His channel has around 881k subscribers. And not to mention that the Indian gaming industry has just started. It's in its initial stage. Even after all these, Indian parents still think 9 to 5 job is somehow better than this. Even my dad says he will respect a PhD holder more than a third grader millionaire.